Welcome to Wonder Tales. Hi there, Earth Heroes. Today, we're going to learn all about recycling and how it helps protect our planet. Are you ready? Let's go. Recycling means taking things we don't need anymore and turning them into something new. This helps reduce waste and keeps our Earth clean. We can recycle lots of things. For example, plastic bottles, paper from our notebooks, glass jars, and metal cans can all be recycled. Let's see where each item goes. If you have a paper bag, it goes in the paper bin. A soda can, that goes in the metal bin. And an empty water bottle, in the plastic bin. Sorting our recycling helps make it easier to turn these items into new things. Can you imagine your old paper turning into a new notebook? Or a plastic bottle becoming a toy? But recycling doesn't stop there. We can also reuse things to help the planet. Maybe you can use an old jar to hold pencils or make fun crafts out of paper tubes. When we recycle, items get taken to a special place where they're cleaned, melted down, and turned into new things. This means less trash and more resources saved. Isn't that amazing? So remember, little Earth heroes, when you reduce, reuse, and recycle, you're helping take care of our planet. Let's make recycling a fun habit every day. Thanks for learning about recycling with me. Keep helping the Earth, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.